Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add your driver's license to your Apple Wallet in Australia in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand that as of 2026, you can't actually add your Australian driver's license to the Apple Wallet. Apple Wallet ID support is currently limited to a few regions like in the United States and has not been rolled out in Australia yet. So if you don't see this option, that's completely normal. In Australia, the digital licenses are handled by the state government apps and not the Apple Wallet. So you can use the applications like NSW, then we have Victoria, then we have Queensland. So you can add your license inside these applications and then you can use it as legal ID. So in order to set it up, you just have to download any of the official applications from the website. After that, when you log in into the government account, you just have to go to the wallet and then you can add your driver's license into it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.